How to see your password on YouTube. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can see YouTube password. So without further delay, let's get started. Here you cannot directly find your YouTube password because YouTube application uses your Google account password, and for the security reasons passwords are not shown. So in order to view your saved password, you can find your password through your device settings if you have saved your password on your Chrome browser. So for that, you have to open up settings in your device. Scroll down, tap on Google. Under Google, tap on your profile at the top. Here, tap on manage your Google account. Once you are here, navigate to the security tab by swiping this mini bar to your left. Tap on security. Once you're under security, now you have to scroll down and search for a password manager. Tap on password manager. So if you have saved your Google or YouTube password under your password manager in your Chrome, then you could find it here. So from here, tap or search for google.com, tap on it. Then you have to tap the eye icon to view your password. You may be asked to unlock your device, so provide your device PIN, and once you're unlocked, you will find your Google or your YouTube password. But if you have not saved your password in your Google Chrome, then you cannot view it. For that, you need to reset your password. So you can go to the recovery page there, reset your Google password, and then you will know your password. That's it. That's how you can view the YouTube password. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.